In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to apply more advanced settings to our light, specific the ones that can create an accent lighting pattern to the lights. Here is the first screen on the app where I have my device that is named House Lights, and I'm gonna click on it to open all my settings for my lights. So this is usually the first screen, and then you're gonna go on the bottom where it says DIY. And once I click that, I'm gonna scroll to the bottom a little bit and click on where it says Add Effect. Once I click in here, finger sketch is already selected, and I'm gonna click on the check mark towards the right corner. And once I click there, it opens all the settings here to create my pattern. First thing I'm gonna do is go to the bottom and choose gradient over here. So right now it's marked gradient. And the second thing where it says background color, right on the bottom you have a white circle. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna choose the last one on the line where it has a black square with a red diagonal line. I'm gonna click on that one, and once I click that, it turns off all my lights on my segment. And each one of those squares on the bottom here, it's one light on my segment. Next thing I'm gonna do is go where it says fill color, and I'm gonna pick the white color over here for the purpose of this video. And right now, starting from the beginning where I see the little power, that means that's the beginning of the line. And if I pick the first light over there, it's gonna automatically turn the first light on my segment. So right now, let's assume I want to turn the first light on and then leave a few lights off and just turn the next light above my first window on the side yard. So then I can come here and just pick, let's say, about 5 lights, and let's assume for this explanation on this video that those 5 lights are above one of my windows on the side yard. Let's take in consideration right now I'm gonna leave some of the other lights off, and I'm gonna do the same for the next window. So I come here and I select the next 5 lights on my segment that's above the next window. And then if you can come here and keep going all the way to the end of the line and figuring it out which lights you want to turn on your segment. And by doing so, you can create that kind of accent lighting, or you can do security lighting just with lighting above your windows, above the garage, above the front porch, or whatever makes more sense for your segment. If I come here and I select one by one of those, so each one that I select, it's gonna turn on as a white light. And then if I want to pick another color, let's say I want to mix and match and I want to have one white and another one kind of a blue color like that, so then I can come and just pick the other ones that I want to change to blue, and whatever I pick in my line is going to change just the bulb itself. And then once it's completed, I can come to the top and name this effect. So I'm going to say this accent, and then I'm gonna confirm, and then I can go towards the bottom where it says save. And once it's saved, I can just go back on the top left, and it's already saved under my DIY patterns over here. So every time that I open my app and then I come here to the first screen, let's say I'm using another pattern like just a regular cool white, and I want to change to the pattern I have created under accent lighting, I can always come to the DIY and just pick that pattern, and it changes my lights accordingly. Hope that helps. A little bit of more advanced settings that you guys can enjoy with your lights. Thank you.